Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So today I thought I should film a brush review. Brushes I'm gonna review is the Sarette 15-piece brushes, and the package or the leather bag it comes in looks like this with the logo on the front. It is a nice sturdy faux leather bag. I really like the design. It's nice and simple, and then you open it with these magnetic clips. It does have a little zip right here. You can open it up and maybe put some other products in. You can put a beauty blender in or other brushes if you want to, lashes, anything like that, or a brush cleaner. Then when you open it up, you see all the brushes. It does come with this protective fluffy thingy. When you turn that over, you can see all the brushes. So they look like this. The only brush I didn't use was this brow comb. I didn't use this one, so I'm just gonna skip that one. Okay, so starting off, I did my eyebrows first. I used the eyelash and brow one, 814, and it looks like this. It was nice and sturdy. The bristles are nice and soft, and you can like really get in there and brush your brows or lashes. I really like this brush. I would definitely use this brush before I used this one. Then to fill in my brows, I used the eyebrow 812, and it looks like this. It's nice and small, so you can have that nice precision of the brow. You can also use this as a eyeliner brush. It's very small and delicate, but it has enough bristles to put enough product in. It did pick up the product very nicely as well. Then I went on to my primer, and I just used the Dew Fiber 821 brush, and it looks like this. This would also work for your foundation, but it does come with the foundation. You can use highlighter with this or contour. I really like this brush. It's also nice and sturdy. Then I used their foundation 804 brush, and it looks like this. I must say the packaging is very aesthetically pleasing with the white and the rose gold. As well, very sturdy, very nice to hold. I just wished it could have been a little bit bigger, but that is just my preference for foundation. I did like paint on the foundation, if I can put it like that. It did blend out the foundation very nicely. It didn't use a beauty blender at all. So really like this brush as well. Then I used their powder 801 brush, and it looks like this. Very nice fluffy and soft bristles. I used this to powder over my whole face and just to set my face. Picks up the product very nicely, even distribute, didn't pick up my foundation or anything, so really like that. Then I went with their cute little Kabuki 822 brush. This is probably my favorite brush. It's so cute. The brush is a little bit bigger in regards to the powder brush, meaning there's more bristles in. So this one will be good for powder. This one will be great for contouring or bronzer or blush. I really liked using this. It did give me a very nice even application. The brushes didn't smell of anything when I opened the packaging, so I'm very grateful for that. Then I used their blush 803. Looks like this. It's a nice angled fluffy brush. You can use this brush for blush or even your contour. You can even highlight with this brush if you want to, but I like the angledness of the brush. It really helps with the sculpting of the cheekbones, etc. Then for my highlight, they have a Fan 805 brush. It looks like this. Again, very soft. It's a little bit flimsy. It's not as sturdy as all the other fan brushes. It does not have a lot of bristles, but I really liked doing my highlight with this. I think it worked very well and picked up the product again very nicely. Soft bristles and a very sturdy handle. I carved out my eyebrows with the concealer 813. It looks like this is a teeny tiny brush. Very compact bristles. Worked so well with carving out my brows. Very nice, precise application of the product. Picked up the product very nicely. You can also use this for your lips if you want to do a nice dark lip or even a bright lip, just to get that nice precise line, or even to clean up the lipstick. I blended out my eyeshadow with the Blending 087 brush. Looks like this. Very nice dome type of brush. Very nice and soft. Again, the handle didn't disappoint me. The quality also feels very nice. So I really liked this brush. Picked up the product very nicely. Distributed very nicely. So I can't complain. Then I used the Shader 810 brush. It looks like this. This will also be nice to distribute or to put on concealer underneath your eye if you want to. I just use that for my shimmer eyelid eyeshadow. Very nice and sturdy. It's nice and flat and sleek. So we'll pick up a lot of product and we'll distribute it very nicely as well. Then I took the angled Shadow 809 brush. It looks like this. Very nice, fluffy, angled brush, but not a big brush. It's very tiny, so you can really get into that inner corner. I just use that for my outer V to give a nice cat eye-ish effect to darken up that outer corner. Will also work very nicely in the crease. I did use it a little bit in the crease, and you can also blend out a little bit with the brush. Again, very soft bristles. Then I used their short eyeshadow 808 brush. Looks like this. It's very nice and compact and short, as the name says. And I just use that to highlight my brow bone as well as my inner corner. Worked so well, like the highlight popped so nicely in my inner corner as well as on my brow. And I also did a little bit of nose highlighting with this. Really like this brush. I think this brush would work so well to pack on darker colors, or even like to do like a popping eyeshadow look. So to pack that on your eyelid or even your brow bone or so on. So it will work very well. Again, very sturdy. Then lastly, I use the flat eyeliner 811 brush, and it looks like this. Very nice flat brush. I just did that to give myself a nice smoked out eyeliner type of effect. Didn't use a dark color, I just used a light brown. Used it under my eyes as well. It distributes the product very nicely, picks up the product very nicely. You can blend a little bit with this brush, but I really like this brush as well. Okay, so for my final thoughts, I really love using the Sarette brushes. They are very good quality. The packaging is very nice. I love the rose gold and the white. The branding of the brush names is also very nicely done. I just wish it was in black rather than that color, but it does tie in with the nice aesthetic of the brush. You get 15 brushes for 500 Rand on Takealot or $20 on Amazon. So you pay for 15 brushes with good quality soft bristles. You can do a full face like I did with just these brushes without using any beauty blenders or anything like that. So I'm really happy with these brushes. Yeah, there's nothing I can say more than saying that these brushes are very good. The only brush, yeah, that I said I didn't use is this brow comb brush. But I mean, if you like using these brushes, you can totally rock this brush. As for the packaging, it's very nicely done. I really like these clips. It's nice and sturdy, keeps the brushes inside. The branding as well, here it's very nicely done. It's very big, so you can fit other brushes in here if you want to. And this is the look that I created using the brushes. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this brush review. Let me know down in the comments below which brush brand is your favorite, and if you would buy those Sarette brushes. And again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.